In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a Dropbox link with non-members. Whether you're working on a collaborative project or simply trying to share some files with friends or family, knowing how to share your folders easily and securely is important. Let's take a closer look at how you can do this. First, you'll want to begin from your Dropbox homepage. If you're already logged in, this is usually the first screen you see upon accessing Dropbox. On the homepage, you'll find a range of navigation tools on the left side of your screen. This is typically where you can manage your files and folders. Next, we're going to navigate to the left corner of your homepage. Here, you'll find a list of your folders. Click on this section. This will display all the folders you've created and stored in your Dropbox account. Once you're in this section, choose the folder you wish to share. Perhaps it's a collection of documents for a team project, or maybe a selection of photos you want to send out. Choose the one that you need. Having selected your folder, look for the option to Share Folder. This will be prominently displayed, often alongside options to rename, delete, or manage the folder in other ways. By clicking on Share Folder, you'll open a new set of options for sharing. In the sharing window, you have several options. You can decide to share through email, transfer the files directly, or even use a QR code. However, for today's guide, we're going to focus on sharing via a link, as it's one of the simplest and most effective ways, especially for non-members. So, select the option to share via link. Once you've chosen to share via link, the next step is to click Copy. This action will automatically copy a shareable link to your clipboard. Now, you have a full URL that you can paste into an email, a messaging app, or wherever else you need. And here's the great thing. With this link, even those who aren't Dropbox members can access the folder. As long as they have the link, they can view or download the files you're sharing. This makes it really convenient if you're working with a group of people, some of whom might not be familiar with or have access to Dropbox themselves. So, that's it. You now know how to share a Dropbox link with non-members. It's an incredibly handy feature for ensuring everyone has the files they need without any of the hassle. Whether you're sharing with a large team or just a friend, Dropbox makes it easy and efficient. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tech tips and guides.